Hello everyone, welcome to SOP Academy. In this video, we have off-campus hiring update from Lionsbridge. So Lionsbridge is hiring for the role of Junior Engineer 1 for their Mumbai, Maharashtra location. This is the careers page of Lionsbridge. So the designation they are offering is of a software engineer in L3 development support role. So first let us look at the job description. So as a L3 development support role, you will be under the level 3 engineer in Lionsbridge and your work will be troubleshooting and investigating technical issues for these three applications, that is C#, .NET and .NET Core frameworks. Apart from that, you will also work on supporting Azure applications and scale up in taking development task of analysis. You will also do bug fixing and QA. Under QA, there will be an automation development as well as regression testing. So these are some of your job description. Let us look at the eligibility. You must be a fresher with 0 to 1 year of experience. They have given the job responsibilities. So some of it let us discuss. To perform troubleshooting on software application. So it is kind of a support role where you will be given tickets and you will have to solve them. So apart from that, you will coordinate with the level 1 and level 2 support teams. So you are a level 3 support. So you will there will be L1 and L2, that is level 1 and level 2 support under you. So you will have to coordinate with them in solving client issues and tickets. You will also coordinate with customer while on customer calls. These are some of the job responsibilities. To be able to apply, you must have a degree in MCA, BE BTech from computers and IT background, and BSc from IT are also eligible to apply. You must have programming language skills in C#, .NET, and you must be good with database such as SQL. You must have excellent communication skills and willingness to work on L3 development support profile. And you will be working in 24/5 rotational shifts. So what is rotational shift? It is like today you have morning shift, tomorrow there can be some other shift. So as they have mentioned, resource will work on shifts in rotation basis to support US and Europe time zone. So your working hours is not fixed, like you will work in morning or evening. It will depend on the day-to-day basis. So if you are ready to do that, then you can apply. To apply, you have to just fill the box given in the right side. That is, start your application, give your first name, your last name, enter your email address. Then you will choose your resume, that is, upload your resume. After that, you can click on I consent to the collection of my personal data. After that, you have to just click on submit and your registration will be submitted in the Lionsbridge careers page. And in a few days, if you are eligible, you will receive the test link and you can appear for the drive. The link for this website is given in the description. Just click on the link, come to this website and you can easily apply. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.